And finally, you may recall the situation a couple of weeks ago with GameStop and how thousands of people tried to change the value of the stock. We got curious on this, and our Eyewitness News reporter Jasmine Allen spoke with a local economist on exactly what happened and what legal actions could be taken against investors and trading companies.
In January, a group of online traders decided to take back control of the stock market, GameStop in particular. Several multi-million-dollar investors were betting that its value would plummet, so through the social media platform Reddit, thousands of small-time day traders put in their money to bet against them.
And because there were a lot of Wall Street investors who didn't think that GameStop was a good company, had weak, in a sense, fundamentals, weak profits. So they took the other side of that bet by betting that the share price would rise. And in essence, kind of cornered the market.
GameStop increased from roughly $15 to about $350 a share, causing big investors on Wall Street to lose millions. But a few days later, the stock came back down to about $50.
We saw this rapid increase in the price, and then it fell because the fundamentals didn't support GameStop being worth that much.
Because of this, the day traders ended up losing a lot of money.
I can say not necessarily illegal, but it's borderline, is that these apps allow these investors to take really big bets. So basically what they did was they lent them money to then bet that the price will rise. And that is where a lot of people lost money.
Connolly says the online group did what's called a pump and dump scheme, where you buy the share at a low price, spread some rumors about it, then try to sell it high, which is illegal. The hard part is proving it.
To link what people were saying anonymously on Reddit with what they actually traded on.
Connolly says legal action will depend on whether or not the federal government decides to pursue charges against the investors involved. Reporting, Jasmine Allen, Eyewitness News.